In Parrot OS 4.11. First time adding an OpenVPN connection, you click connect and all you get is a warning notification with missing plugin. The solution? Install the OpenVPN Network Manager, open a terminal and type sudo apt install network-manager-openvpn-y, give a few seconds to finish the installation, and try the connection again. Use IP addr to check the new IP address with the new active VPN connection.